friends, welcome back to Tech Solutions. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon for our upcoming videos. You want to split your existing local drive into additional drive without formatting and losing your existing data. Like for example, on our screen I have a situation where I have local drive C, which is 904 gigabytes, which I can split into more drives. And I have another recovery drive D, which hardly I can use for anything else. So let's say I want to split this local drive into additional drives, or one more drive, or you can make multiple drives out of it. So how to do that? Go to this PC and right click, select manage, click disk management, and here you can find all the partitions, existing partitions I can say. But you can do this with a different way as well. We have a shortcut to run button, run option, disk mg empty dot msc, and click OK. And it will take us to this same window, which is disk management. Now you can see we have C drive, which shows 904 gigabytes total, and we will split this existing C drive into additional drives. Click and shrink volume. It will take some time because it will query and it will find the total space available to shrink and all. So yeah, we got this pop-up window. It is giving us the total size available and size available for to shrink. We will keep it default and we'll try to split it with the default values. So click on shrink. So again it will take some time because it's going to partition it. First it's going to shrink it to that size. Once it shrink, we will have unallocated space, which we can use to create our new drive, new partition. And it finished. So now we have 447 gigabytes unallocated space. So now right click the unallocated space and new simple volume, click next. Let's keep it to the default value because we are going to make one drive out of it, and assign the drive later, the one which you have not used for any other drives. I'm using P here, which I know I haven't used anywhere for any other drives. Click next. What is the file system, allocation, unit size, and volume label? You can change the volume label later on. Let's keep everything by default to the NTFS and perform quick format. Here it is going to format the new unallocated space, not the existing one where we have our data. So that's why I said that we are not going to lose any data, and we will be formatting this new drive, which is actually which don't have any data. So on this next page, click finish. Created new volume driver, the letter is P. Let's go here and let's check. So we have P, which is 447 gigabytes. We can rename it here as well, as I told you earlier. I'm just making it personal, and yes, it's now personal P drive. Out of that 904 gigabytes, we split 447 gigabytes separately and created this new personal drive for our use. And this is how we can create and split the existing drive without formatting, without losing our existing data on the source drive. So thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe our channel and keep supporting us. Thank you very much.